One of the most common misconceptions that people have with Amazon FBA is that sellers are buying products from China and reselling them in the US on Amazon at a higher price. But what if I told you that there's a better business model out there that 90% of us sellers do without having to deal with long shipping times, import fees, and dealing with any suppliers from China? If you're new here, my name is jayslarosa and I've done $1.4 million in lifetime sales with Amazon FBA, all while traveling around the world and doing it completely remote. So please like and subscribe this video so I can continue to make more content. The business model that me and millions of other sellers do without having to deal with China is called online arbitrage. It's buying products like Dove, CeraVe, and anything else that you could imagine and reselling them on Amazon at a higher price. It's simply just buying the products from retail stores in the US, packaging them and selling them on Amazon for sometimes double the cost. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this even real? But Amazon customers like to pay for the speed and the consistency of the marketplace. That's why they're willing to pay more on Amazon rather than any other retail site. Let's jump right into a product example so this could all make sense. All right, let's dive into a first-hand example that's right here on the screen. So as you can see, this product is selling for $35.95 on Amazon, right? So ideally, if we want to buy this product profitable, we want to buy it for at least half of the cost that we would sell it for on Amazon, which is ideally $17 or $18. Now, I've already sourced this product, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the source site to show the exact place where you can buy this product and buy it for a profitable price. Now, here on chemicalconcepts.com, you can see here that it's the exact same product. And as a bonus tip, they also allow you to buy this product in bulk, right? So if you buy more than 6, you get to save 3%. And if you buy more than 12, you get to save 6%. So this product is currently selling at $17.80 each when you buy more than 12. And ideally, as long as the listing sells, as we dive back into it, more than 12 times per month, it's going to be a very successful buy because you have enough inventory to roll over into the next month and you'll be able to sell out at a constant basis. So if we go ahead and dive in our buy cost here, which is in the mid 17 range, right, at $17.50, and most importantly, we dive into the other sellers on this listing to see what our competition may look like and what other sellers are selling these products. Because at the end of the day, 90% of these sellers and 90% of these sellers on this listing are doing the same thing we're doing. They may even be buying from the same supplier or a competitive supplier that has very, very similar pricing, right? So look at that. You're just buying from the supplier and you're arbitraging the price from the supplier or the retail site and selling it on Amazon for a higher price. So as you can see here, now most sellers are selling at $39, some sell at $42, and some are selling at $35. Now, if we want to see the trend over the product over the past 3 months or 6 months, this is a critical tool for online arbitrage as you dive into the Keep It chart. The Keep It chart is here at the bottom of the Amazon listing. Once you subscribe and get the software on your account, you'll be able to see what the product is typically selling for over time, right? So you're at 38, 37, 39. As I run my cursor across the Keep It chart, I can look back all the way until when the product first incorporated here on Amazon, which is in 2014, right? But we only need data for 3 months or a year to make a comfortable purchase with this product. So for the most part, it's selling around 37 or 38, right? It even goes up to 39 at times. But let's play it safe and let's say that our expected sell cost is going to be 37, right? So perfect. If we sell this product at $37 and we buy it from $17.50, as I'll show you the supplier's site, again, it's actually $17.80, but I'm sure you can get an extra discount if you buy 30 units, 40 units, or 50 units. Trust me, I've done it many, many times to find a lot of success with it. But if you can get this buy cost down to $17.50, even if it's at $17.80 for this example, just in case you want to go ahead and buy this product right now, let's go ahead and type in $17.80. You're just under a 30% ROI, which is really still really good, and you have $5 profit per unit. So if we're buying this product from Chemical Concepts, that supplier, right, any retail site that me or you can buy on without having a tax ID, a business license, you go there and you buy the product. Now you want to ship it to Amazon's fulfillment center, allow them to handle all of the packaging, prepping, and customer service with the Amazon customers, and you want to sell this product, let's hope for 30 times a month at $37. And yes, we could sell it a little bit higher or a little bit lower, but we just want to be in a comfortable pricing based off of our data and keep a chart that told us that. And we sell this product 30 times a month. We're expected to make $156, considering that there are no returns or any issues with the product, $156 monthly. by investing $534. So you can tell as you rinse and repeat this with 3 to 4 products and find a consistent cash flow, you can find a lot of success. So this is example A with online arbitrage. And there's millions and millions of brands and products here on Amazon's marketplace that you can do this with. There you go. So as you start your Amazon FBA journey, please go the easy route so that you can sell on online arbitrage rather than dealing with Chinese suppliers and all these other confusions. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so that I can continue to make more content around Amazon FBA and e-commerce all year round.